are in the start Juan Dato Haji Abdullah Nuno Memorial High School are campaigning for mangrove planting and rehabilitation. We would like to ask your help in preserving and protecting the mangrove. We are also encouraging everybody to plant and nurture mangrove in our community, the community of Talog Sakay. Why? Because mangrove help us a lot. It helps us in building our shelters, in protect us from unavoidable circumstances like big waves and typhoons. It also helps us a lot in our daily living because it serves as a habitat for various kinds of marine species such as mud crabs, shrimps, oysters, and fishes. It also gives us life for it gives us more oxygen and helps us in global warming, and aside from that, leaves of mangroves has been used in tea and medicine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Sarang syukur kami kaniyo pasal minsan biya din na kabisihan niyo habay nakakari pa kamo umaten sin biya na sin pakaradyaan na mo ini. Mangayo kami tabang kaniyo sin magtalong bakawan. Pasan, in bakawan, malago tuwid in tabang niya kato. Isa na ditoin. Makapagpataod sin isa, pasal kapag bayan nila ini, iban kapangitlugan nila. Si Karua, makadari pa na to ini, ipag-adyad, iban manjari ini, mahinang ubat. Iban bang kita isap mangutod, iban, gumawa sin bakawan, subay na isap kita niyo, magtanong ibang magpataod para sa kaon magamit na ito susunod na panahon. Ikato niya, ibang mga ko ini tabang para kato, pasal mahinang nato ini, panangga hamalag alon ibang pakusog hangin. Makatabang na sa dini hadagan sabab mapapalisin niya ini, ibang mapapapresko niya in hangin. Nagbaita kami ini, hasupaya kaingatan niyo in halga sin bakawan. Mga mamaas katay manghuran ko, tugpagdi na hadya, mayan informasyon about sin bakaw.
To further enlighten our minds about the importance of mangroves, let us all witness the debater as they defend their part as an opposition and as a proposition. mangroves are vanishing little by little. We should know how to preserve our mangroves. We should not cut mangroves.
The debate is now over. Now, we hear from the both sides that mangroves plays a vital role in our lives.